my home office. I thought just to help you know me better, I thought I'd give you a little tour of my home office. I'm a work at home mom. I work like 50%. That's how much childcare I have. My kids are 7 and 4.5. And this is my little corner of my office, my little paradise. And whenever I come here, I feel recharged, and this is where I do my work. So I'll give you a little tour. This is the nice window light that's coming in. This is my desk here in the corner. And yeah, it's right next to the heater here because it's really cold in this room. It's the cornermost room of the house with 2 walls that are facing the outside. So it's a little bit cold. So I literally sit right next to the radiator, so I'm warm. Here's a little pin board. There's a little photo of me as a baby. I'm going to show, oh, hang on, let me flip the camera. That's me as a baby with my mom. That's my son. This is my husband and me. And yeah, this is a little North Star brand vision. I got this from Digital Brand Kit, Nadine Hanafi, and she's just incredible. My little desk setup, it's not the best. Like, my desk is definitely not ergonomic or anything, so I'm struggling a little bit with like elbow pain and shoulder pain, but that's on the plan to fix this year. And just want to tell you about the like corner here. It was a different orientation before, but I literally took a photo of it, uploaded it to Nano Banana, and I asked it to rearrange the furniture and give me a couple of options. And it gave me this option, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm closer to the radiator, so I'm warm when I work. And somehow it just opened up the space in my room. This is my bookshelf, which I am obsessed with. It was actually found on the street. Like, my mother-in-law found it, and she's like, you have to go pick it up. I'm like, my car is not big enough. She's like, don't worry, I'll get my car. And then my father-in-law and mother-in-law grabbed it from the street, and we styled it. I have my beautiful money plant here. It's just growing. She's really happy. I have my favorite books here. I'm going to flip the camera again. Saints of Bengal. I am from Bengal. I'm Bengali, so you know. Louise Hay's book and The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. My guru's book, Just Love. I'm feeling a little emotional today, so if I look at this book for too long, I'm going to start to cry. This book literally changed my life, Karmic Diagnostics. So those of you guys who don't know, I'm super, super spiritual, and I believe in all that stuff. And so you think you're autistic. So for those of you who didn't know, I am on the autism spectrum, like really light on the spectrum. My son is a bit higher on the spectrum, but I am. And you know what? Yeah, that makes me who I am, and I absolutely love it. The coolest part of this thing is that it's actually on wheels. So when I need to film or something, I literally just turn it and I move it, hang on, like that. And then I have a super cool backdrop for my YouTube videos or Instagram videos or whatever, pictures, anything at all. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself that I came up with this idea just to put a bookshelf on wheels and then have this like really cute home studio. This is my lamp, my filming lamp. It's got this diffuser on it, which gives it a great, great light. When I do high quality video, I use not just my webcam, I have like a vlogging cam, I use that. Yeah, and what else can I show you guys? This is some art that I got from a friend of my mom's. These are all the letters in Bengali. Like I told you guys, I'm Bengali. It's a big part of my identity. And I can read that. Like, I can read these letters, which is so cool. What else? This is where I meditate every morning and do my morning routine. A little secret you guys don't know, underneath this is a mat made of kusha grass. So those of you who are into yoga and those of you, my friends from Bhakti Marga, you'll understand the significance of that. Kusha grass holds your energy. It preserves your energy. So every single time you sit on that to meditate, your energy is accumulating. It really stays there. And yeah, so then the next morning when you come back to meditate in that spot, it's like you don't have to start from scratch. You have an energy bank. You literally sit on it. It's like those, you know, those energy charging pad things, like battery charging things for your iPhone, but for you, which is cool. What else? And here on the wall decoration, that's my guru over there, Guruji Paramahansa Vishwananda. I'm literally so emotional. If I say his name, I'm gonna start to cry. So, and these things, these high and happy things, those are actually placemats from Depot. And they were just so cute. I loved them. I bought them. And now they're my wall decoration. And these things here, these brown things, those are actually like little carpets for the floor. But yeah, whatever works, man. You know, I just went with it. I used it. And one final thing here in the back, give you a little peek. These are also this is from IKEA. This is also a placemat, like a table setting, and those also. These are little coasters for cups. So yeah, when I was setting up my home studio and I was really into my YouTube channel, I really didn't want to spend too much and didn't know where to actually look. So just, you know, when whatever I found, whatever looked nice, I just pasted it all over my little home office. And yeah, that's how it is. So I hope you enjoyed the little tour of my home office. This is where the magic happens early in the morning during my morning routine, and also throughout the day whenever my kids are not here and I can work. So I wish you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'm going to say goodbye now. If I know how to. Hang on. Okay, bye.